Home Remedies presents. My mother could not walk because of the pain in her knee and joints until I gave her this. It is estimated that some 350 million people around the world suffer from arthritis, a condition that causes pain, stiffness, and inflammation in your body's joints. While arthritis can make everyday life uncomfortable, there are things you can do to minimize its effects. Cayenne is famous for reducing many types of pain. It works by affecting your nervous system. Substance P is a neurotransmitter that relays information and results in what we call pain. Capsaicin, a major constituent of cayenne peppers, blocks substance P and therefore reduces pain. When cayenne is used topically, it can relieve many different types of pain, from diabetic neuropathy to shingles, migraine headaches, backaches, arthritis, menstrual cramps, and bruises. A cream containing capsaicin, a substance found in cayenne pepper, may help relieve pain when rubbed onto arthritic joints. Ingredients: coconut oil ½ cup, cayenne pepper powder 2 tablespoons. Directions: slightly heat up ½ cup of coconut oil and mix in 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper powder. Apply the gel on the affected area for 20 minutes, 3 times per day. Rub firmly to get deep into the tissues. This cayenne salve can be used on aches and joints, from sore muscles and pains to bruises and even nerve pain. It is best for closed wounds and may sting a bit on open wounds. Even on closed skin, you may feel a bit of burning or heat in the area where it is used. It should be applied externally only and used within 6 months for the best results. If using it for arthritic pain, it may take up to a week or 2 to see results. In this case, you want to use it daily to decrease chronic pain. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.